Welcome back to Legally Speaking with the McLario firm. When a couple gets engaged, they're usually excited about planning the wedding, and they put a lot of time into it. They put a lot of money into it.
Today, we're going to consider some tips for putting some of that energy into preparing for the actual marriage itself. Joining us now is attorney Al Spiegel. He's got some practical advice for that next stage of your life. Good to have you here, Al.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
This is a fun, different topic for you.
It is fun. Marriage is what
it.
brings us together today.
Yes, it is. I love that. Everybody knows that one. Okay, so what do you mean when you say prepare for the marriage and not for the wedding?
Right. So we have this exciting thing happening in our life, and we tend to kind of centralize all of our thinking about getting married on the wedding day, because for the year before, or however long people are engaged, that's what people are asking you about.
Yes.
Who's doing the food? Where are you going on your honeymoon? All this stuff. When really the thing that needs all of our attention is getting ourselves ready to be married. That's the biggest change. Yeah, we've all been to parties before. We've all been to weddings before. We can handle that. And really, if it kind of all falls apart, you still end up married. So that'll be fine.
Right.
But if the marriage falls apart, you got a lot more problems on your hands. So that's what we need to spend our time focusing on, and it's going to reap a lot more rewards for us.
Absolutely.
Good point.
Okay, so what legal mistakes do people make leading into marriage?
Right. So probably the biggest legal mistakes people make is they assume. They assume how things are going to work. They assume, oh, well, we're married now, so this person will have all this authority and all this access to information and all this ability to do things. Or they assume we're getting married, but everything's going to stay the same. And this person doesn't have any rights in my life unless I sign them over. And the reality, especially in Wisconsin, which is a marital property state, is kind of in between. Spouses get some rights, but not most. You have to sign over what exactly you want to have happen and how you want things to work.
That almost sounds like a prenup.
It is. That's part of it, but it could even be, healthcare directives or financial powers of attorney or even wills and trusts. There are a lot of people out there who have a will from 10 years before they were married, and then they get married, and that marriage really kind of changes what that will does, even if you don't change the will. So you have to think about that.
So go a little further. What documents should people consider then before they're getting married?
Yep, so the first one to think about, especially for people who are getting married later in life, kind of into their careers, is think about a prenup. And we do that not because we want to prepare people for divorce or anticipate divorce.
Yeah, because it kind of has a bad rap.
It does.
Yeah.
But really what it is it's getting it all in writing, whatever the understanding is. If you want to have an understanding about, I have a lot of clients who, we each had a house and we're going to sell it and we're going to buy a house together. Well, what happens if one of us dies or we decide to split up or whatever? How are we going to do that? And let's take advantage of the time when everybody's getting along and we're all being productive and make a plan. And it's sort of a Murphy's Law thing. If you make a really good plan, you probably won't ever have to use it.
Right, that's what you hope.
And does a prenup have to be signed, sealed, delivered before you're actually legally married?
It doesn't, but it's a good idea because sometimes people get a lot less willing to engage in those sort of discussions once the marriage has happened. And it's really nice. I really like for my clients, get it done a couple months before the wedding so that it's just out of everybody's mind.
Yes, you're not thinking about it
and
anymore.
hopefully never think about it again.
Yeah.
A lot of times I'll have people come in after being married 10 years and I'll say, oh, you've got this prenup. And they'll be like, oh, we forgot we had that. Let's get rid of that. Great, let's get rid of that.
Oh, you can get rid of a prenup?
Absolutely, yeah. Both people agree. You can say, you know what, we were going to
dissolve it?
separate everything and now it's all going to be 50-50 because we've been married for a long time and that's how we want it.
Oh, interesting.
I see that especially with people who have, kind of their own sets of kids. After a while, if they've been married for 20 years, they say, they're all our kids.
Yes.
We're just going to split it up that way.
Okay, I like that. Are there any other documents people should be aware of?
Yeah, definitely powers of attorney.
Yeah.
Figure out who's making your medical decisions. Is it your new spouse? Is it still your brother? Is it your mom? What are we doing there? And then financial decisions as well. And then some kind of a will or a trust to transfer assets in the case something happens.
You've been married, what, almost 18 years?
Something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any
a long
marriage
time.
advice?
I do.
For
Here's
people?
here's my
there's a
marriage
cute
advice.
family.
Look at you
Yeah. Look at
guys.
them.
Oh, look at all those faces.
That's
Surrounded by
adorable.
blessings.
Yeah, and
So-
blondes.
Yes, a lot of blondes. No gray hair for a while, I guess.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
what I
Got
learned
some time.
today. Yeah. So my advice is remember the purpose of your marriage. Remember why you got married in the first place. Because sometimes we get into the trenches of being married and we get consumed with whatever's going on and just focus on, hey, we got married so that we can be, forgiving to each other or we can be unconditionally loving each other. And then when it gets hard, you go, oh, this is an opportunity to do that instead of this is the worst. Because sometimes we fool ourselves into thinking we got married because it was always going to be fun. And
Right.
that's
And
not
easy.
real. Yeah.
Yes. If that's what you're thinking, you're thinking
Don't get
good.
married.
Buy a dog or something.
Yeah.
How many kids are there in that photo?
There are 6 kids in that photo.
Six
guys have
Yes.
6
kids.
Yes, we sure do.
Are any of them twins?
They are not twins. No, one at a time. My wife was pregnant for like 15 years straight.
Yeah, she was.
Yeah.
She's gotten her angel wings there, a little saint.
She certainly has.
Beautiful family.
Oh,
Thank you so
it
much,
is.
Al.
Yeah,
It's great
thanks.
to have
It's a
you
great
here.
combo.
Thanks.
Good to have you here. All right, if you've got questions for an attorney at the McLario firm, just scan that QR code that we're going to put up on the screen in a second. There it is. Or go to the website tmj4.com/legally speaking. You can also call them at 262-251-4210 and set up a time for a free consultation.